Alright guys, so as you can see, it's a beautiful spring day here in Michigan, which is why I'm here in the garage where it's nice and dry. So last weekend my wife and I went and picked up this Scion FRS down in Dayton, Ohio. Obviously a used car, it's a 2014. So today I'm just going to get some of the maintenance stuff up to date. I've got some oil here, I've got some fresh air filters for the car, some wiper blades. So yeah, we're really excited about this. It's kind of nice to just have a fresh start and kind of a blank canvas to work from. We've already got some really big plans for the car in the future, but today we're just going to do some maintenance stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so I guess we'll just start off with these wipers since they're nice and easy. So it's the old one right there. So I haven't done too much research yet as far as what people are running in terms of like cold air intakes or anything, but for today I just got this K&N drop-in filter. It should be pretty easy to put in, so let's do it. So compared to the BMW, changing the air filter on this car is super easy. If you look at the air box, it just has these two little metal clips that pop up. The old one will come out and the new one will just drop right back in. So the only thing to pay attention to here on the actual filter itself is that one of the corners is pointier than the other four, and that's just to help you line it up correctly. So as you pull the old one out, just kind of pay attention to how it's oriented in the air box. So as long as we're on the subject of filters, let's go ahead and switch out this cabin filter as well. Just being a used car, just for hygienic purposes, it's just nice to have a nice clean filter in the interior too. Ooh, wow. Look at that. It's insane. So unfortunately this car didn't have any recent service history, so I'm just going to play it safe and assume that it needs an oil change, and that's going to give me peace of mind knowing that a good quality oil, the correct oil viscosity and everything is used, as well as a good brand of oil filter, and then that'll also give me a baseline for the next oil change interval. Alright guys, let's just take a moment to appreciate the fact that this car actually has an oil dipstick. I'm really excited about this. So it's still raining outside, so I can't really do anything on the exterior of the car, but I do want to clean a little bit here on the interior with this Adams leather interior cleaner. I don't know what it is about used car dealerships, but they really love to put the shiny stuff on the steering wheel and everything, so hopefully this will remove some of that. huge thank you to my dad for helping me out with the filming and everything today. We had some nice father-son bonding time. What do you think? Did you have a good time? How about when I spilled all that oil? It's alright. We got the hazmat stuff on it, soaking it up right now. But yeah, thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Wow. Yeah, it is something to get used to. What a difference. Like you say, it's about halfway up before the clutch kicks in. Sports car. What do you like?
You gonna get one of these or what?
Not today.
So I'm planning on doing a really in-depth first impressions video here pretty soon, but just to give you some of my initial thoughts, Katie and I just absolutely love this car. It's just so much fun to drive. It's funny because we work together, so we just drive one car every day, and every day since we've had this, we just fight over the keys to see who gets to drive the FRS that day. So yeah, we just love it so far. Look forward to more videos on this car in the future here on the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Of course, all the products that I use today will be linked down in the description in case you want to check them out on Amazon. I appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.